Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run Linux on Windows. Here you can run Linux apps, all command line tools for any purpose seamlessly with a few easy steps. So without any further ado, let's get started. This way of running Linux on Windows will work on both Windows 10 and 11. Here I'm using my Windows 11 laptop to show you. But you can follow the same steps in Windows 10 as well. To run Linux on Windows, first, you need to enable the Linux environment. For that, click on the Start menu, search for Turn Features On or Off, and hit Enter. Now find the Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux and check these up. Now click on OK button. Here you have to restart your computer to make changes. After the restart, you have to install the Windows Subsystem for Linux from the Microsoft App Store. For that, open the Microsoft Store, search for Windows Subsystem for Linux, and hit Enter. Now install it. After the installation, we can run the Linux distro on our Windows computer. To do that, first, we need to install a Linux distro from the Microsoft Store. Here I am going to install Ubuntu, but you can install any distro you want. Search for Ubuntu here, and hit Enter. Now install it. After the installation, open it. Now it's setting up the Ubuntu, you have to wait here. Now configure your account with your name and password. After all this, your Linux distro is ready. Before you install a Linux app, you should update and upgrade all the packages. For that, run these two commands here. First, sudo apt update. Second, sudo apt upgrade, enter Y to confirm. Now you can install any Linux app or package from here. Let's try to install gedit. Type sudo apt install gedit and hit enter. Type Y to confirm. Now, wait for the installation. After the installation, you can run this app from the Start menu. You can access Linux files from Windows File Explorer. This was how you can run Linux apps on Windows. I hope this video was helpful. If so, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, also set the bell icon to all. If you have any problems, do comment below. I'll reply to you and try to fix your problem. I'll meet you in another interesting video. For till, bye-bye.